So if you type best vision surgery in Google, you'll get about 1 million different opinions. Most of them are from clinics that only do one procedure. And here's a problem with that. When a place only has one procedure, like LASIK, anyone that walks through the doors only qualifies for that one procedure. And I can promise you that your eyeballs are unique and you have to get a proper evaluation to see which one of the many procedures you would be a candidate for. This video is going to talk about all of those procedures. I'm Dr. Shehz at Visionary Eye, and I don't just do LASIK. I do LASIK, PRK, small incision LASIK or SMILE, EVO ICL surgery, as well as custom lens replacement. So when you come to me, we're going to make sure that you're a good candidate for either one of these. So hang with me for the next 10 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be able to assess which one may be the best option for you. So 3 big things decide almost 90% of the decision in terms of which procedure is going to be best for you. Your age, your prescription, and the health and status of your cornea. So in general, if you're between the ages of 18 to 45, you're generally going to qualify for a corneal-based procedure like LASIK, PRK, or SMILE, unless your cornea is really thin or your prescription is so high, like a -15 or a -20, where it's not safe to do something on your cornea. In that case, potentially could be a good candidate for the EVO ICL implant. From ages 45 to about 60, that's the time frame in which you may be best suited for custom lens replacement. After 60, we're now into cataract territory, and we're talking about cataract surgery with advanced technology lens implants. So LASIK is one of the first procedures in this category between the ages of 18 to 45, and there's a reason that LASIK has become a household name. It's one of the safest procedures in modern medicine. I had LASIK about 6 years ago, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made. In the right patient with the right corneal health, LASIK is an absolutely great procedure. When LASIK becomes a problem is if you have chronic dry eyes, if you have thin corneas, or if your prescription is so high that it's not safe to remove that much corneal tissue, which is what happens in LASIK. So moving on to SMILE. SMILE is small incision LASIK. Basically, there is no flap in SMILE, just like you have a flap in standard LASIK. In SMILE, instead of a flap, there's a small 3 to 4 millimeter opening, and we remove a small layer of the cornea that matches your prescription. That is the best procedure for someone who suffers from dry eye, where we don't want to make a huge flap and make things worse. Patients that are involved in contact sports, because a flap can dislodge with enough trauma and pressure. And anyone in general who just wants to be up and at it the next day after the surgery. Standard LASIK is good for nearsightedness, farsightedness, as well as astigmatism. SMILE is only approved for nearsightedness and some levels of astigmatism. So the limitation with SMILE is that if you're farsighted, SMILE is not a good option for you. The next technology is the EVO ICL. This is for patients who have thin corneas, chronic dry eye, high prescription, all the way from -3 to -20. So if you're on the -20 side of things, or anything higher than say a -6, we're starting to think about the EVO ICL, because in higher prescriptions you have to remove a lot of corneal tissue, and that's generally not a good idea when we're talking about removing a lot of corneal tissue. It's a painless procedure. You don't see the contact lens, you don't feel it. The EVO ICL is also completely removable. So let's say you don't like it, or if there's an issue with it, we can remove it and it's like nothing ever happened. After the age of 45 up until the age of about 60, the lens in your eye is the problem. So this lens used to zoom in and out without any issues in your 30s and 40s, but in your 50s and 60s, it starts to get stiff and it doesn't zoom in like it used to. So between the ages of 45 to 60, LASIK is generally not a great idea. EVO ICL may be a good idea if we are dealing with a very high prescription, but in general, now we're thinking about custom lens replacement, which is where we take the lens in your eye that is not working anymore, remove it, and replace it with a brand new lens implant that lasts the rest of your life, gives you permanent vision correction, and as a bonus, you never develop cataracts because we've taken out the lens prior to you developing cataracts. Now, would some people do LASIK on someone who is in their late 40s or 50s? Yes. In general, not a good idea. That's why we ask that you get multiple opinions. Come in for a free consultation here with us. We spend 90 minutes to 2 hours with you going over all of your your options for that exact reason, because we don't want to do the wrong procedure on the wrong eye. You don't have to figure out which category you fall in by yourself. The link is in the description. We'll go over all of your options and figure out which procedure is the best for you.